Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we have just installed our TigerTough seat covers in our 2016 Ford Transit Connect. We got them in black, and these are just a nice seat cover. They're made of 1000 Cordura material, meaning it's a military grade material that is essentially waterproof, spill proof, tear proof, and it's going to protect the life of your vehicle. You can see just how well these covers fit down here. Includes the headrest covers as well. Sometimes you don't get those. If you use your van for work, you know how nasty these things can get. So these are just a nice seat cover. You can see here on the side, we've got our little airbag zone, if you will. So these work with factory airbags. If you have heated seats or cooled seats, they also will work with those as well. It's a super simple install. We just filmed installing these. It took me probably, if I wasn't doing camera work, 5 minutes to get these in place. Super simple install. Comes with the seat bottom, seat back, headrest cover, and it comes with both the driver and the passenger seat cover. TigerTough includes a 2-year warranty, meaning if there's any issues that come up in that 2 years, they get destroyed somehow, a seam breaks or anything like that, it's covered by the factory warranty. So these are built, the last 2 years is a long time in a work van, and so you're going to be covered, protecting your investment that entire time. If you're looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to upfit your van, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.